median is median median में first form array. Array means arranging 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 data in increasing or decreasing order. Right? Median. अब उसमें if number of observations is equal to n. So if n is equal to odd, then median is equal to n n plus 1 by 2 observation. Right? And if n is equal to even, then median is n by 2 observation plus n by 2 plus 1 observation upon 2. This is ठीक है. इसी तरह से हम मीडियन निकालते हैं. मीडियन का एक फॉर्मूला होता है विच इज नॉट इन योर बुक, बट आई होप दिस इज. मीडियन कैन बी फाइंड आउट. मीडियन is equal to L plus L naught minus L1 upon 2L naught minus L1 minus L2. ये एक फार्मूला है which we can use. Where what happens? L is no, it's not L. It's not L. इसको L न लिख के हम लिखेंगे F naught minus F1 upon 2 F naught minus F1 minus F2. Right? This is the formula where L is lower limit of the median class. L is lower limit of median class. Right? and this is free. Frequency of cumulative frequency of model class, median class मतलब f naught is cumulative frequency of median class. f1 जो होता है that is cf of preceding class. Preceding means first, before, and f2 जो होता है that is called cf is equal to cf of succeeding class, मतलब next class, succeeding class. By this formula you can also get the median, right? But this is for group data. But this is not in class 10. Class 10 mein you will not use this. Just to check it out you can do this thing, but it is not required as much, right? So now we have question. You have to do like this. What question you have? And sorry, for cumulative frequency, for median, for getting median, we need cumulative frequency, right? Cumulative frequency is required. But cumulative frequency we need only for getting median, right? This question can be asked. So should I rub this?
Yes.
Okay, what is your question?
Frequency distribution. Find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile.
अच्छा. Whole data is divided into four parts, right? So lower, if n is equal to odd, if n is equal to odd, so it becomes, so median is, so lower quartile is equal to n plus 1/4, right? Or upper quartile is equal to 3 bracket n plus 1/4, ठीक है? And when n is equal to, these are observations, right? This is also observation. So, and if n is equal to even number, then lower quartile is equal to n by 4th observation. right? And upper quartile is equal to 3n by 4 observation. Fourth observation, right? Interquartile range जो होता है, interquartile or quartile range. Interquartile range is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. यहाँ पे रीडिंग होती है, रीडिंग, right? This is you have. The whole data is divided in 4 parts. तो जैसे होता है ना, आपको quadrant बोलते हैं, कार्टेशियन प्लेन इज डिवाइडेड इन 4 quadrant. तो वैसे ही होल डेटा इज डिवाइडेड इन 4 पार्ट. जो लोएस्ट पार्ट है, जो लोअर क्वार्टाइल होगा, दैट इज n+1 अपॉन 4, ऑड में और इवन में n/4, और अपर क्वार्टाइल ऑड में 3 ब्रैकेट n+1/4, और अपर क्वार्टाइल में इट इज 3n/4, राइट? And interquartile range is reading of all this, not this one. Be conscious. This, what reading you get of this, their difference is known as interquartile range, right? Okay, I hope you understand.
Yes.
What next you have? What is your question? What the question you was telling me? Question number 7. है ना?
Yes.
What is that?
For the following frequency distribution, find the median lower quartile.
What is frequency distribution?
Frequency is 3, 8.
Frequency. No class mark is given. Variate. हाँ, what गियर दिया गया?
25, 31.
25, 31,
34, 40.
हैं? 25, 31 ना? अच्छा. There is given you 25, फिर 31, फिर 34,
40,
फिर 40,
45, 48,
45, 48,
50, 60.
50,
60.
60. These are variates. Okay. Then what?
Frequency.
What is frequency?
3, 8, 10.
3, 8, 10,
15, 10.
15, 10,
9, 6, 2.
9, 6, 2. This is frequency. This is variate, right? And then you have cumulative frequency. You have to find the median, na? So CF. CF is what? You know, this is 3, so we take 3 here. And here is 3 plus 8 becomes 11. 11 plus 10 becomes 21. 21 plus 15, 36. 36 plus 10,
46.
46. 46 plus 9, 55. 55 plus 6, how much? 55 plus 6 is 61. 61 and 2 becomes 63. So n is equal to 63, which is odd, right? So median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. observation. So this is how much? 63, na?
Yes.
63 plus 1 by 2. Tooth observation. So how much it is? 64. So 32. 32th observation. 32th observation. When 32th observation, so 32 comes where? Comes in this. Right? Comes in this. So this is. So this median is 40. Median is 40. Right? What is your answer? Right? You get this? Okay, what next you want?
Lower quartile.
Lower quartile. So lower quartile is equal to, since n is odd, so n plus 1 by tooth observation. Tooth observation. So it is how much? 64 by 2. It becomes no. It is 4. It is 4. Lower quartile n plus 1 by 4 होगा, right? So 4 से when you divide 1 time 4 becomes 4, 4 2, and 6 times 4 becomes 24. 16th observation. So this is 16th observation. So 16th observation, where you are getting 15th, 16th observation. 16th observation is coming in this, right?
24.
This is lower quartile. Lower quartile is 34, right? Now you have upper quartile. Upper quartile is equal to 3 into 64 upon 4. So it becomes 16 times 3 becomes 48. 48th observation. So 48th observation is coming in the which? 48th observation is coming in this. 48 is coming in this.
This.
So 48. So upper quartile is equal to 48, right? And you have interquartile range. Interquartile interquartile range is equal to upper quartile minus lower quartile. So कितना हुआ? 48 minus 34 becomes 6. 6 ना? नहीं.
14.
Interquartile range is 48 minus 34 becomes 14. What is your answer? Interquartile range is 14.